Hey friends, Holly Fisher here with Fisher Creative Marketing. Well, I'm wondering how many of you are spending a lot of time doing some planning and setting some goals for 2024. I know I am. I'm right in the middle of thinking about the things that I want to do next year, and I bet you are too. And when it comes to our businesses, a huge part of our planning process involves marketing and sales. We're thinking about how can we grow our businesses? How can we reach more customers and clients? How can we generate more new leads and increase our sales? Well, if you work solo or you maybe just have a small team, coming up with all of those marketing ideas can get a little overwhelming. You want to make sure that you're maximizing your efforts, you're getting the most for the money that you're spending and the time you're investing. And you really would love maybe some guidance, right? Some marketing expertise to help you know if you're headed in the right direction and you're investing your time and your money and your energy in the right place. Well, if that's a question that's plaguing you, I have an answer. I am so excited to introduce a brand new program for 2024, the Fuel for Your Marketing Cohort. This is a small group coaching program that's going to run each quarter of the year. It will include 2 one-hour calls each month with me and the other participants. I'll do a short training on a marketing topic, give you a little bit of a homework or some tasks to help you stay accountable and on track with your marketing goals. And then you'll also have plenty of opportunity on those calls to ask questions, or we can workshop any marketing challenges that you might have. Plus, you'll have input and ideas from the other small business owners that are participating. So you're really going to get the teaching and the support and the community that you need to maximize your marketing ROI. I am so excited about this program. I think it's going to be a fantastic opportunity for those of you who also, you don't have a huge marketing budget, but you still want some marketing help. So I wanted to make sure that this could be a really affordable and packed with value opportunity. So you can sign up for Q1 for $199 per month. So a very affordable price point for small business owners and solopreneurs and folks, even with small marketing teams. This is gonna be really, really invaluable for you. I'm very excited to offer this program. There's also a special offer if you sign up by December 20th. December 20th, you will get a free business bundle, which is gonna include your choice of a marketing book, a notebook, pen, just a few other little fun surprises in there too. So you want to make sure that you get signed up by December 20th. We are going to get started in January, and I am really excited. Again, these are going to be 2 calls a month. They're going to be on the 2nd and 4th Thursdays. They will be recorded in case you miss one or can't attend live, but it's going to be a fantastic opportunity for you to get some really great marketing training and expertise, ask your questions, and really get that support and that community with other like-minded business owners who are going through some of the same challenges that you are. I think you're going to learn a lot from each other. And of course, I'm excited to share lots of marketing expertise with you. So I'm going to put a link in the description of this video so you can go get signed up. You can also go to fisher-creative.com, click on the marketing cohort link, and that will give you all the information that you need. One other really exciting benefit of signing up for this cohort is I am creating a marketing planner, and everyone who signs up for this will get that annual planner. And so that's going to be a fantastic way for you to track your marketing progress, your ideas, goals, everything that you're working on, and also plan quarter to quarter your marketing focus. So I'm really excited to offer that as a special free bonus for anyone who signs up for the Fuel for Your Marketing Cohort. You will get that free planner. Well, I am delighted and so excited to see who is going to be part of this program in 2024. I'm happy to answer any questions that you might have, and I look forward to seeing you in the Q1 cohort. Let's maximize your marketing in 2024.